Shalom family, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I do share some kids meal, some school lunchbox ideas. Here, my daughter is 9 years and another one is 8 years. So I share their meals as we go. And here today, I'm sharing with you what they had for lunch this week. So here are some school lunchbox ideas for 1 week. Here I'm packing some fruits which I just cut some grapes. If the grapes are big, I usually just cut them in half. It depends. Some grapes are not very big and some grapes can be very big. So I would suggest that if there are these large grapes, you just cut them in half just to be sure that the child does not choke in school. I know they are not that small, but we just want to be sure, right? And then also the oranges, I did cut, just peel them and also put for them like this. It makes it easy for them as they don't have a long time for the school lunch, so you just want to make things easy for them. I also pack some these hunkadory crepes is some of their favorite, and the cupcake. So this is what I will have on their snack box for today. And this lunchbox, I got it from Amazon. I'm not sure if it's still available because that was how many years ago? I would say it's about 5 years ago. So it was one of their very first lunch boxes that they had. They just don't want me to get rid of it. You can see it doesn't look good anymore. But anyway, I also put some hot food for them. I did put some leftovers. We did have some leftover stew. So all what I had to do was to boil some rice, and then I put on these thermoses. These thermoses, I check on Amazon. I didn't see them, but there is something that is very similar to it, which I would put on the description below. So I had the stew that we had yesterday for dinner, which it was just chicken fillet stew, and I just put for them into these hot thermoses. Now the thermos, what you do, you just put hot water to activate the thermos, and then you will then throw the water away and clean, just wipe it off and put the food, which that will be it. And you just make sure that you put the food inside as quick as possible to make sure that the heat does not escape from the thermos. Now that I am done, I will pack everything into their lunch bag. My kids really don't mind if I put ice pack or not into the lunch bag. They are okay with it because anyway they don't really stay for that long in school, so they feel like this is okay. I mean, is heavy enough, so why having to put something else? But anyway, so this is their lunchbox for today, and they are good to go. Now I have to move on to the Tuesday. So on Tuesday, they had pizza. And I was trying these pizzas for the very first time because this one is a different brand. I think it was from Lidl. I usually try it, I usually put for them these ones from Dan stores. So I thought, okay, this is the first time I'm trying these ones from Lidl. I'm not too sure. Sometimes even if it's the same thing, if it's from a different store, it can be a little bit different. So what I did, I just added some cheese at the top on the pizza just to make sure that it's cheesy enough for them. Now my kids, they don't mind, but when it's pizza, they want to see cheese on it because they don't want the meat, so they want to make sure that there's cheese on it, which that's what I added. Just put those and I put it in the oven. And while they are in the oven, I go ahead and get my fruits ready. Now when it comes to fruits, when it's these easy peel oranges, I usually just cut it in half. But if I feel like I have time, I will then just peel it this way, which it takes me some time. So that means it's the time that I have. So that is why I'll do it this way. Now remember, if you want to keep your apples to be nice and fresh for all day, you want to put it in the salty water. Then you take it out and rinse it properly, and then your apples are gonna be just fresh until your children come back from school. Now the pizza was ready. I also put some of this chicken hot dog. This is one of the things that they also love. So I did put one pizza per person, but then it wasn't fitting on the lunchbox very well. I ended up having to move one piece just so that it can fit on the lunchbox very well. So I used those two pieces for my breakfast, and yeah, it was a lovely breakfast, all right. But anyway, I also put that cupcake again. You remember the cupcakes? So I did put the cupcake for them and that chicken hot dog. That was looking so delicious already. My kids were excited because like they really never expect that I would have time to be making pizza in the morning. But anyway, I made the pizza for them and they were excited for that lunch. So, and then on this compartment I also added the cupcake, which you have seen, and on the third compartment I also put some fruits. You remember the fruits that I was cutting? The apples and the oranges, which that's what I was cutting. I was peeling the oranges and also chopping the apples. I wash them and make sure I rinse them properly and put them into the third compartment of the lunchbox. Now these lunchbox, I've said it many times, I got them from Temu. I got the two of them for less than 10 euros, and I thought that was really nice and affordable. I have been using them for the past few weeks now since they started school. I just want to see how far can I go with them. They are very easy to use, and also I did put some of this Actimel and I put some sauce as well. One of them like taco sauce and one of them like ketchup. So I did put Adora's, which that's where I added the taco sauce. And just to make the lunch bag, to make it easy for me to clean it, I always put the kitchen towel at the bottom and then I'll put the lunch box. Just in case something spills, it's very easy for either them to clean it or me to clean it. Now we are gonna move on to the Wednesday. On Wednesday they had chicken goujons. These are the brand that they had. We got it from Down Stores. They are delicious. Now I don't have air fryer. I think these would cook more quicker and better on the air fryer. So I just put them into the oven. I just think it's the same thing. I put them in the oven. While they are in the oven, I went ahead and cut the orange. It wasn't much I was putting for the fruits today, so it was just cutting the orange and put it aside. Guess what? The chicken goujons are ready to go into the lunchbox. I'm using these Irish Pride buns. That's what they are gonna have today. Again, this is one of their favorites. So I'm just gonna take one and put it, but I'm gonna cut it in half and then fit it into the big compartment of this lunchbox. Now again, this lunchbox, this one I love it because it's bigger. You can see that I was able to fit 3 or 4 chicken goujons and also one of these big Irish Pride bun, and which is those big ones like for hot dog. And we had also pancake. These are not homemade pancake, these are the store-bought. So I just put a little bit of honey on it. I use it as something sweet because they can be very sweet, so I don't let them use it as a meal. And for fruit, again, I did put the oranges, put some apples, and they were happy with the lunch. And I also, for a snack, I did put the crepes. I show you what I did there for with the pancake, just to make it as something sweet, so it's something that they can just snack on that is sweet. So this is the orange that I was cutting earlier. You know, when it comes to oranges, they prefer it to be like that. And the apples, you can see they are still nice and fresh, which I started by cutting them early morning. Now this is the lunch box for the girls for today, looking all ready and all delicious. Now we are gonna go ahead and just close everything to put it into their lunch bag, because this lunch box is bigger, and also I did pack the fruits separate, so there's gonna be a little bit of a problem on closing this lunch bag, but I did have to just think which way will be easier for me. But yeah, I was able to close it anyway, and they were good to go. I also added a yogurt, which I'm not too sure why I was adding that, because it was already enough what they had there, but obviously they didn't have a yogurt. So I always want to just use the yogurt if I have it in the fridge, because the more I leave it there is the more these yogurts, they don't usually have many days. So if you don't use them, usually they will expire. So that was the lunchbox done, and I put the spoon and they are good to go. Now we move on to Thursday. On Thursday, I knew very well that usually by the end of the week I don't have much, so I left these buns just specially to make the school lunchbox for them. So that is why you see them, it was only 4 left. So these ones are the sweet ones, and they are small as well. So I used 2 of them. It's usually enough for the lunch for the girls, 2 each. So one of them like butter and one of them does not like the butter. I'm sure at this point you know who like butter and who doesn't. If you do, please comment below which one do you think you prefer their own with butter, and which one does not like butter. Is it Blessing or Adora? So now we're going to move on to putting the chicken. This is just the sliced chicken. Now it took me a long time to do what I was doing here. They don't like when I put too much meat into the bread. So I probably would have just tear it and just put as many slices I want. But I couldn't do that because they don't want, they won't eat it. So it just has to be one slice. Even what I put there, because I had to roll that meat like that, it was a little bit too much for them. They don't like it when it's that much. They prefer to just, if it's a sandwich, it's a chicken sandwich, it has to be just a very thin slice. They are okay with that. They don't want anything to be overdone. So anyway, it was time for me to also slice these apples again. Apples is one of the fruit that we always have in the house, because we know that is something that they love, that we can never go wrong. And I had a little piece of this melon that was left when I was packing for lunch for my husband early morning. So that is why I then used that and cut it, because also Adora loved this melon as well. And come to find out that this lunchbox, I forgot to put this thing, and this is usually I'll remove it if I decided to put the lunchbox into the dishwasher. So I'll remove that, and to put it back, I forgot. I usually prefer to do it the night before, but then I now put the sandwiches and the apples. I also put the yogurt drink and the cupcake. That was the Blessings lunchbox done, and now it's time for me to put on Adora's. No, I think that is Adora's, the first one, and this is Blessings. Now, Blessing, you know our Chichi, how she's like. She can be fussy with things. But anyway, she didn't eat the apples at the end of the day, but she ate everything that was on the lunchbox. You see, this is our lunch already for Thursday. Now, they are good to go. It's really just for me to close the lunch boxes and put them into the lunch bag, and they are good to go. Before we move on to Friday. And Friday, is this Friday or is Thursday? But anyway, we move. I take the thermos and put water to activate them to make sure that they stay hot for the day. Don't forget that part. Then I did just grab this pineapple from the shop. At the moment, I can't eat the pineapple, and so I just had to cut it for the girls. But because I do love pineapple, I was forgetting that I'm not supposed to eat pineapple, and I was putting it in my mouth. But anyway, I didn't eat much. It was just 1 piece or 2. But anyway, I went ahead and just cut the pineapple. Now I came across another mom who was showing how to cut the pineapple easy when you are packing it for school in the morning, and I did find this so easy to cut this pineapple. Now I am now confident to grab a pineapple in the store, because it's very easy for me to cut it if I am just cutting it into small cubes for the girls. And it's one of their favorite fruit, but I don't usually use the pineapple because ish, cutting pineapple in the morning. But anyway, I did also mix it with some of the apples. I just slice some apples the way they like them, and I think it was just one apple I was cutting or two, but I slice it the way they like it and mix the fruits, which that is the pineapple and some of these apples. It's time for me now to pack everything into the snack box. Again, this is their snack box. You can see this one is very similar to the first one, the one I used for Monday. But the difference is that what I love about this one, we have this one for over 2 years, and the color does not move on this one. It's not like the first one. So that's what I love about this. So I just mix their favorite fruits. This was the best day for them because this is their two favorite fruits, which is the pineapple and the apples. So I went ahead and put the cupcake into the small compartment and use one packet of crisps between the two of them because isn't their favorite anymore. They say they no longer like their hunkadory, the one that is like this. They prefer just the tato, the plain one. So now that I am done with the snack, I put it aside and start packing the hot food. The hot food, we had some chicken wings and some roast potatoes. I did just put them in the oven to heat them, but they were leftovers. We have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on my next one. Bye.